Hello, welcome to this demonstration. My name is Peter Uda. I will be taking you through the navigation of your Cengage MindTap course, specifically IT 115 and as an example. Um, there have been some questions from some people who still have some issues with navigating this course in on the Cengage MindTap web page. So going from Canvas to Cengage should be pretty easy because the links are already there. So once you're here on the course page in Canvas, you just need to click on Microsoft Access module. Of course, I'm assuming that you've already completed all the orientation activities at the top, and most of you know, or pretty much everybody have already completed module 1, I hope. And I'm going to use module 2 for this example. If I click on that module, it will bring me to this particular link, and I'm going to click on it again. That takes me to Cengage MindTap webpage, the Cengage webpage. So once we're there, the course will load, and of course you may see something like this based on what your course is. The IT 115 that we're using for this demonstration is based on the first 4 chapters of the book, so that's why we see the first 4 modules here. You will see the capstone projects and the critical thinking capstone project that's due. This is obviously scheduled. In Canvas, you see the due dates and the points. These ones are not obvious in terms of the due dates in Canvas. That's why you need to navigate from Canvas to Cengage so you can look at them here. So once you're here, you click on the folder to open it. I'm going to open, for instance, folder for Access Module 2, building a database and defining table relationships. So once I click it, there's a training that's already here, the simulation training on building a database and defining table relationships. But the bulk of the activities is over here. When you go to learn it, you see the reading. You'll be able to click and open it to read the text. Of course, there'll be an arrow to the right where you will be scrolling through the pages. Once you click on that, I didn't want to click on that because it's hard to navigate back from here. Okay, this is textbook project. So what I was talking about, when you click on back button, this does not respond to that. So you then have to go back to your modules and go back there, re-navigate all the way back, and that will land you on the page. Once you're on that page, you go back to where you are, you go to learn it. This is reading, the reading activity for the chapter. And with the arrows, you can click through the chapter pages and read the concepts really thoroughly so you understand what each concept is telling you. And of course, quick check is for assessment. This is where you try to answer some questions based on the concept you've covered while reading. So once you're done with the reading, you're going to go to the interactive part of the demo of the module, which is the simulation. We're going to go back there by clicking on the links again. And once you're there, you're going to go back. After reading, you're going to go to training. This training is what you're going to do multiple times to make sure you're comfortable with the concept before going to any projects or exams. So once you get to trainings, you will click. So this will go through narrating what is on the page and will take you through what is there. And once you're done, you're going to submit. And of course, you're going to do this multiple times until you're comfortable with what is teaching you. Once you're done with that, that's when you go back and start completing your that's when you start completing your projects and the exams. This is exam, and let's see, this is a project. So each module has training, reading, projects, exams, training, reading, project, exams, and of course, after going through that in Learn It, you will see more activities in Applied. You go through Applied to apply those things that you learned from Learn It. So hopefully that makes it clear for everybody. In this demo, I've been able to take you through how you can navigate from Canvas to Cengage MindTap, how you can go from the first level um, navigation in the Access module down to Learn It folder where you can access your activities, the training, the reading, the projects, and the exam, and how they are similar from one module to the other. This you're going to see the same pattern and this and that structure. And that's it for this demonstration. And the next thing I want to point out while we're here is the announcement I put out there um, over a week ago. When you go to announcement section for this course and navigate to this page, you see where I described what I was talking about, how you can navigate MindTap and Cengage. So when I open up the document, the attached document there, you're going to see some illustrations there. These are the arrows pointing to where you need to click once you are in the Cengage MindTap page. You click on Learn It. You see those things that we covered um, in the video. So that's it for this demonstration and the illustration. If you have any questions, feel free to send me a message, and also feel free to come by my office and I'll be glad to clarify anything for you. Thank you for watching. Hopefully you find that helpful.